What's going on, everybody? This is Dr.KushKing and Becky with a big butt, and we are at Secret Dreams 2025. I'm here with
fucking Benny boy. Let's fucking Benny boy. What's your name?
Your name's fucking Hank, dog.
Hey,
Bobby.
some water, sir. Real fitting with the water outside. Mike.
Jay! Money!
Man, it's fuck you, baby.
what's y'all's favorite thing so far about Secret Dreams?
The rain.
The weather. The weather
weather.
is weathering. The weather is weathering. The weather is weathering.
We're seeking shelter with our few friends here. July 16th, we're right in front of Portal Stage. You have no idea it's raining cats and dogs. No one can park the car in the Harvard Yard because it's too many fucking miles away. But we're fucking here. I think it's really acid rain because we're all about to start tripping, but we really don't know. Further to tell.
All I can say is when it starts running pop rain, the acid rain out. Very Jane. It's the only thing that makes it hang stop.
We're out on the court.
Hold it down, baby.
Out on the court.
Facts. So, during this weekend, who is everybody excited the most to see? Obviously not Tipper, but other than Tipper, who is the most excited to see?
What's that?
J-Lo.
To be honest, I'm really hyped for Pretty Lights too.
Pretty
I
Lights,
can't lie.
Pretty Lights?
I'm a big fan. Kilo?
Pretty Lights.
Lotus, baby!
Lotus.
Daily bread.
Daily bread. There is a fat lineup this weekend. So much in store. This is only day one, and we are underneath this canopy, covering ourselves away from this treacherous rainstorm. Check this out.
The weather is weathering.
The weather is weathering, and we are in the weather. Weathering.
We're not fun and games.
Last question. What is y'all's favorite festival in the United States?
Secret Dreams.
We gotta say Secret Dreams just cause we're here, baby. Who else you get rain like that?
Secret Dreams.
Bro, if you ain't here, if you ain't right here, right now, my God!
Right here, right now.
Woo! This is wartime hours, dog. This is wartime hours. You're not ahead, you're behind.
Facts.
Be here now, Rob Goss.
Yeah.
And we're out.